Mr. Lawson, I'm guidance counselor here at Navasota High School. We just had the beautiful assembly, 2 presentations today, and what I can say about it is high energy, high student interest, great inspirational, motivational message that related to the kids. I'm expecting to see a lot of good just stick in the hearts and minds of our students. Thank you guys for coming. One of my favorite parts of the beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was the emphasis on friendship and the support, making sure that you choose friends that are real, not fake friends, those that are going to be in your corner and on your side, the ones that are going to celebrate with you, and the ones that are going to help you achieve your dreams and not hold you down and keep you from being successful. Hey, I would definitely recommend other high schools bring in the beautiful Tomorrow Assembly. It is a unique, one-of-a-kind production. You students will definitely be inspired, will have a good time, and they will leave out with something that will stick in their hearts and minds.
You will have a beautiful tomorrow.